Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to study about 8086 arithmetic operations. So before that, you just go through the manual. Here there is a description about 8086. Familiarization of 8086 microprocessor is there in your manual. So all are requested to go through, and you have to upload some points. Okay, we will give you as an assignment. You have to upload it to 8086. So whatever points you have to write, that we will say it later. Okay, so that is the familiarization of 8086. As you are not studied 8086, I am saying like this. Okay, so now we can have a look on the arithmetic operations of 8086. So here we are just doing the basic arithmetic operation, that is addition as well as subtraction. Okay, addition. So 8086 when compared to 8085, it is a 16-bit processor. So please remember, 8085 was an 8-bit processor, whereas 8086 is a 16-bit processor. So today I am going to show you a 16-bit addition as well as 16-bit subtraction. Okay, so even if it is 16-bit, we can do the 8-bit calculations also in 8086. Already 16-bit ആണെങ്കിലും അതിനകത്ത് 8-bit calculations നടക്കും. കാരണം we can take in default, we can give it as 00. Okay, if I am saying 0005, that is a 16-bit number, but actually the number is 5. If I am saying 006, 306 ആയിട്ട് എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ we can say that it is 6. The number is actually 6, but if you are writing 3 zeros in front of 6, it will become a 16-bit. Okay, so please understand that. So we will do the program. So before that, I will just familiarize you so this is our 16-bit microprocessor. You can see that it is written 86. In your 85, it is written was 85. So here it is 16-bit processor. It is already written there. And this is your 8086 IC. Okay, you can read it, 8086. So this is the main IC of this microprocessor kit, 8086 microprocessor kit. Okay, and here you are having a display. So it is something, this kit is something different from 8085. In the 8085, actually all the keys are there. Actually, but here in 8086, we have to interface the normal keyboard. Okay, so now the keyboard is interfaced here to the microprocessor kit. Then only we can type the instructions. So whenever we are using an 808-bit microprocessor kit, we have to interface keyboard. Then only we are able to enter the instructions. Okay, so this is the instruction I am going to do. Okay, so just we will see so how I am going to do. So first is move AX, 1100. So before starting, it will, when you switch on, okay, just I will show you. I am switching it off, then switching it on. Okay, so this will be the display whenever you are switching on. So after that you have to press A, typing A, then it will show A, then enter. Okay, so it is asking for the starting address. So I am typing 1000. This is the inbuilt starting address for this microprocessor. Okay, so that is why we are entering like that. E kit and inbuilt starting address 1000 so we are doing like that. Okay, then after that enter. Then I am going to give my commands. Okay, so my first command is move AX, 1100. So that I am going to type move space AX, square bracket 1100. Okay, so the same instruction, move AX, 1100. So that is loaded here, and after that double enter. Double enter means, because as we are loading a 16-bit, we have to give double enter after each command. So now next instruction is add AX, 1102. So that I am going to type add AX, 102. Okay, so now the next instruction is move 1200 comma AX. Okay, so now my instruction is complete. Okay, for this program, for the 16. So now I am going to give the input. Okay, so for that just type SB, then space. So input location we have to enter first. So input location, that is our 1100. Okay, so press enter. So that is 02, it is there, it is the default value there. So again I am giving 02 itself. Okay, so now this is the data what I have given. Okay, this is a default value and this is the data I have given. So actually I want a 16-bit. So I am entering, just enter. So again 02 is a default value there. Again I am giving also 02. So നമ്മൾ 1100ലും 1101ലും നമ്മൾ 0202 എന്ന് കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പോൾ 16 bit ആയി. Okay. So now next number we have to upload. So that is in 1102. അപ്പോൾ 1102 കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് again I am pressing enter. So again I am giving here 03. So 0202 plus 0303 ആണ് ഞാൻ കൊടുക്കാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. Again I am giving 03. Okay, so after that I want to execute my program. So for that I am interrupting it, then typing go space starting address of our MUPI kit. Okay, then press enter. So it shows executing. Okay, then now as I am resetting it and I want to check whether the answer is there. So the answer should be available in 1200. So for that SB space 1200. So now the answer is 1200. You got 05. That is correct. Again enter. You will get the correct answer 05. Okay, so 0505 is our answer. So that is about 16-bit addition.